Click Create 3D Design. For this example, choose a rectangular floor plan to create a basic project. Open the 3D plan. We won't need the default lighting, so let's leave it off. Go to Add Furniture, Build, Constructions, Primitives. Select Construction and click Add to Room. Now click the ceiling, switch to the 2D plan, then select our constructing, click the Size tool, and drag the resize markers to position it correctly. You can also click any size value to enter the exact width, height, and depth. Let's set the height to 20 centimeters. Switch back to the 3D plan to preview the result. As you can see, our ceiling construction is now in place. Next, select the original ceiling, open the color settings, and change the material to neon white, for example. Now let's add some lighting. Open the catalog, go to Lighting, Ceiling Lighting, and choose a fixture you like. That's it. Now click Take a Photo and use photo mode. Here's the final result.